So today we are here to present our game, and our game, as ma'am told, our game name is Shakalaka Boom Boom, and you can see a presentation here. Our name is game name is Shakalaka Boom Boom. We have a tagline: inspiring little minds, and presented by Farida, Miss Farida and Miss Hina, and the subject we have chosen is literacy, and the objective of our game is encourage our little students to engage in learning with fun and in simple way. The age group we have targeted is of 4 to 6 years and grade K1 to grade 1. Topic we will be covering is learning of sentence framing, building words, and comparing numbers. We will tell you how that is possible. And then material used is cardboard, etc. And this is the model of our game. This is the model, and yes, these are the pictures. The first one is hop to frame sentence. Farida ma'am is going to show the demo, and then we have crocodile mouth, and then the next we have is all-in-one model, and then we have a tricky word puzzle. And now Farida ma'am is going to show us how to play hop to frame sentence. So 1 minute.
Child is having a smiley here. The child will throw smiley in one of the box. So it got there. The child will hop. Here is a gift box where the child needs to collect the picture card from the gift box, and then child will not place his leg on this box. Will hop to the next box and will come here. Will collect blending words, and the sight words are present here. Child needs to collect the blending words and the sight words to frame sentence. Yes. So child will play sentence along with picture, which picture that he got. Here is the sentence. I have a ring. Then quickly child will collect the stars from here and will place in team boxes. Here the game is over. So here the game is over, and then the child, after playing the game, the whole game, the child have collected the stars. Okay, so in this, the child, for example, here the child have got 4 stars. Depending on the sentence, the child will get a star. So the first team have got 4 stars, and the second team have got 5 stars. Okay, so now the crocodile will decide who is going to win. Okay, so in numeracy, the child have learned that if there's more, the crocodile will eat. More number, the crocodile will eat. The same way, wherever there are more stars, that team is going to win. Okay, so we have number 4 and we have number 5. Team A have 4 stars and team B have 5 stars. So if we put number 4, the crocodile did not eat. Okay, if we put number 5, crocodile ate, which means the team B have 1, because the team B have 5 stars. Okay, 5 stars. So the child here, with this game, the child have learned 2 concepts, that is numeracy and also literacy, that is sentence framing. And the next game we have is all-in-one. I'm going to show the model. Okay, so this is our all-in-one model. In this, we have in one part we have consonant, vowel, and consonant, and you can see here we have a push sign. So when the child push, the words will fall. Okay, so I'm going to show that quickly. So you can see here the word have come is okay. Here we have and then when the child push next one, when the child will push a next one, like this, the other word came, and if the child push another one came. So the child will keep all the words, and then the child will first he got k, then got a, then t, cat. Okay, the child will blend and read like this. This can be helpful, like the child can also make like the first like this also, like sh is coming, then came a, then came shell, and the child can even keep the picture. So this many words will come. So the child got cat, so that the child can keep the picture of cat like this. So the child have learned a word and also a picture. Here the child have learned sh word and also double consonant also. So yes, like this will help in this. Any words we can put inside. Okay, after this we have another one. This is a tricky word puzzle. Here like this we have a child, we do have like this, so in which we have a doll or something, so that we need to arrange it and make a doll. Therefore that I have made this one, in which I have put words, so the child can move up down left right like that and make a word. So this will help the child in thinking different ways. Like you can see here I have cat, and then if the child sees this way, it is tin, here it is net, here it is sip. So the child is thinking in different ways. So like this board, if the child is having a tricky word board, the child will think in different ways and make more and more words. It can be like anything, like maybe sh words also can be, double consonant can be, so that if it is a big board, yes, all the words can be done by this one. So we have shown all this. So yes, that's it, ma'am.